Hello everyone. Please subscribe our channel for faster updates.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to close a Demat account in upstocks.com. So first you have a Upstocks account and just open upstocks.com in your Chrome and you can see their support icon. So click on that. You can see download forms. Just go to that and down you can see here Demat account closure. Just click on that. It will download a form. If you wish to continue offline, just print it and write down all the details. Or if you wish to continue in online process, just open with Drive. So in online or offline, you have to post it to the given address. So I'm opening in my Drive to edit that document, to edit that form. So I'm clicking open with and I will select Doc Hub. So by selecting this, it will give edit access to us. So you can see here application number, don't fill that number, it is filled by them only. So now you can see here closure initiated by BO DP CDSL. Just tick on BO if your account is only solo account. So now I'll edit all the details. Now I'll write the date and I will check on the BO. So down there you can see there client ID. What is your client ID? If you don't know, just see the video. Just go to the upstocks.com and sign in. By clicking dashboard, you will return to the sign in page. After giving your user ID and password, you will be logged in. So in the top right corner you can see your name, your account name. Just click on that and you can see here linked Demat accounts. So there will be an account number. That account number will be your client ID. So note it down. So after getting your client ID, just fill it in the form. You can see here name of the first or sole holder or name of the second holder, name of the third holder. If your account is a single account, is a solo account, just give your account name, your other account name. So give your first or sole holder name, that's your name. And if you are a group, so mention the first holder name and the second holder name and the third holder name, and the address which you have given in that account should be mentioned there. So here you can find your correspondent address which you have given in that Upstocks account. So after filling that, you can see here DP account something else, DP if applicable. It will be mentioned by DP persons, not by you. So just leave it. So after giving client IDs, so you have to give your name and you have to sign in that form. So I am giving a sign which I have already saved in the drive. You can see here. So after giving you a sign, there is an acknowledgement receipt. There is no need of writing on it because the receipt it will be with you only. So there, so in the acknowledgement receipt, there will be the same steps which you have already written. You can see here a reason for closure. Give any reason to close your account. As of I am mentioning that I am not interested in trading. So it is enough to close an account. If you have any other reasons, you can give there. There is no problem. So my form filling is completed. So where to send this post, where to save? Okay, first of all, you need to save this edited document in your mobile or desktop. So just print it and it will save as the PDF in your desktop. And you have to take a printout of a hard copy and you need to post this one to their address. So what address you have to post? Here you will see in that form only registered office, correspondent office and telephone, fax, email addresses. So you have to post to the correspondence office address. After posting in any courier, you have to email them that you have with your hard copy which is saved in your desktop. And the details of courier partner which you have posted. So no, I haven't posted yet, but for your sake I am doing a mail to them. I have copied their email and pasted here. Just give any subject related to the topic. So select your file which is edited and give the postal information here. So I mailed my document with my postal details to Upstock's mail, to their mail ID. So now within 5 to 7 business days you will get a written mail regarding that one. After reaching the post to them, they will respond and close your account. So be sure that your account has zero balance and there is no negative balance in your account. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, like, comment and share this video.